Hello, I'm Junguno. I'm teaching physical education at Irina Middle School. I will start the presentation with the theme of the effects on students' physiological needs and social emotional competency of relatedness support from a teacher and peers in physical education class. This is the introduction. Adolescence is a period of rapid physical, cognitive, emotional, and social development, and adolescents undergoing this phase are affected by diverse factors, such as their friends and their home and school environments. There is a need to enhance the self-efficacy, resilience, interpersonal relationship skills, and social emotional competencies of adolescents so they can adapt to valid environments and maintain untroubled everyday lives. Relatedness pertains to the feeling of closeness that humans have with these they have meaningful relationship with, such as their teachers or peers. In a learning environment, this need is closely related to movement motivation, concentration, emotion regulation, and other study-related variables. They have a positive effect on the motivation and emotional development of students. Students experience decreased levels of boredom and anxiety and have a more enthusiastic attitude when their need for relatedness is fulfilled in their relationship with their peers and teachers. In recent years, importance has been placed on studies that deal with the subject of relatedness with peers as a factor of social relationships in learning environments. In contrast to classes that take place in the classroom, physical education classes help students from social relationships and develop relatedness with their peers through group-based team activities and physical activities. The relationships that students form in physical education classes with their peers have an effect on their self-determined motivation and emotional response, such as by eliciting joy and enjoyment. In the classroom, the presence of mutual support based on feelings of support, encouragement, understanding, and consideration between students has a positive impact on students' need for relatedness as well as on their emotions and behavior. In particular, for adolescents undergoing puberty, the interactions they have with their peers compared to these with their teachers have a greater impact on their school life. Engagement with learning, motivation to learning, and social development. Social emotional competencies are effective in preventing school maladjustment and problem behaviors. In addition, They promote the development of positive attitudes and enhance higher order thinking skills, cognitive strategies, and academic achievement. Studies on social emotional competencies assert that the enhancement of these competencies positively affect the school life of students, their motivation and attitude in the classroom, their ability to regulate emotions, and their engagement with learning. Moreover, such studies state that personal social emotional competencies are affected by stable classroom environments, while studies on self-determination theory, which incorporates theories of motivation, have been widely used in the field of physical education in recent years. Current studies have addressed the relatedness between students and teachers, as well as the relatedness between students and their peers. Instead, studies were limited to the subject of teachers in physical education classes, or addressed social relationships in small groups, such as the sense of belonging or the feeling of friendship and closeness between peers, rather than focusing classroom environments formed by peer relationship and emotional support. In learning environments, the roles of teachers and peers have a key impact on promoting students' growth, development, and learning. From this perspective, there is a need for research on students' relatedness with their peers in addition to research on the relatedness between students and teachers in physical education classes. This study examined the relationship between social emotional competencies and learning environments that support students' relatedness with teachers and peers. The research hypotheses of this study are as follows. First, the relatedness support from teachers and peers will have a positive effect on the physiological needs of students. Second, students' physiological needs will have a positive effect on their social emotional competencies. Third, the physiological needs of students will act as mediators between their learning environments and social emotional competencies. Next, the research method. Participations were 400 students aged 14 to 16 years who attended a middle school in the Jeollabuk province of South Korea. After reviewing the suspicious response of 21 students, the data from 379 patients were analyzed. Study tools are as follows. The data analysis are as follows. Collected data was subjected to a descriptive statistical analysis, reliability analysis, exploratory factor analysis, correlation analysis, and a structure equation model. Next is the research results. The descriptive statistics of individual variables and their correlation are as depicted in Table 1. For descriptive statistics, the mean and standard deviation were calculated. In addition, values of skewness and kurtosis were used to determine whether the normal distribution hypothesis was satisfied. It was determined that there was no problem with multicollinearity. The parameter estimates depicted in Table 2 demonstrate that the relatedness support from teachers and peers in physical education classes is an important antecedent variable that predicts students' physiological needs. Relatedness support from teachers and peers had a direct effect on students' physiological needs and vice versa. In addition, the relatedness support from teachers and peers had a direct impact on students' social emotional competencies and vice versa. Further, the physiological needs of students had a significant effect on their social emotional competencies. Relatedness support from teachers indirectly affected students' social emotional competencies through the mediator variable of physiological needs. Similarly, relatedness support between peers also had a indirect positive effects on students' social emotional competencies. To test the significance of the indirect effect of relatedness support from teachers and peer factors on student social emotional competencies, bootstrapping was untitled, and the result revealed that the indirect effect was significant. Figure 1 demonstrates the structural relationship proposed in this study. Relatedness support from teachers and peers had a positive effect on students' social emotional competencies, and students' physiological needs was the mediator. Relatedness support from teachers and peers had a direct impact on students' social emotional competencies. The discussion of this study's findings are as follows. First, the relatedness support from teachers and peers had a positive effect on students' physiological needs. When physical education teachers respected students' opinions, user-friendly communication styles, and presented students with a learning environment, they promoted teamwork and cooperation. Students had a positive emotional experiences and their physiological needs were satisfied. This result supports the findings of previous research, which stated that relatedness support from teachers helps fulfill students' physiological needs. In addition, The provision of relatedness supportive learning environments improves students' motivation. In particular, for physical education sports learning environments, students' physiological needs and their well-being differed significantly depending on the degree of relatedness support they received from teachers and coaches. Moreover, a friendly communication styles, empathy, understanding, respect, and enthusiasm from teachers in physical education classes elicit students' physiological needs and a high level of class participation by promoting students' interest in motivations. This may help middle school students who are undergoing many emotional changes preserve their emotional stability and maintain amicable relationship with their teachers. Second, relatedness support from teachers and peers had a positive effect on students' social emotional competencies. This finding is partially consistent with a study that found that the development of positive relationships with peers and teachers had a positive effect on students' class participation and emotional regulation. Moreover, this finding is also consistent with the results of a study that found that when students developed positive relationships with teachers and peers, experienced trust, support from teachers, other students, it had a positive impact on their self-regulation, academic performance, and attitude. Some studies has asserted that teachers must further develop their social emotional competencies to strengthen their self-perception and their ability to empathize with students. They have also studied that students' aggressive behavior change according to the emotional support received by teachers. It is highly possible that students' social emotional competencies are greatly affected by how well teachers provide them with learning environments in which they can effectively communicate and cooperation with their peers. Third, students' physiological needs had a positive effect on their social emotional competencies while also acting as a mediator between learning environments with teacher and peer support had their social emotional competencies. This finding demonstrates that students' physiological needs can be fulfilled by the relatedness support from teachers and peers, as well as showing that social emotional competencies can be further developed when basic personal physiological needs are satisfied. Relatedness support from teachers and peers had a direct impact on social emotional competencies. More Specifically, the relatedness support from teachers and peers had an effect on students' social emotional competencies through the mediator of students' physiological needs. The emotional role that teacher and peers play has a significant impact on students' school adjustment and emotional well-being. This finding particularly supports peer research that asserted that teachers with highly developed social emotional competencies not only help promote positive relationships between students and between teachers and students, but they also contribute to the enhancement of positive attitudes by strengthening emotional bonds. Despite the emotional significance of this study, there was a few limitations. First, as this study used a cross-sectional study design to verify the relationship between variables by collecting data that were based on physical education classes, causal relationship cannot be interpreted. Follow-up studies should consider employing a long. Finally, here's the conclusion. This study determined that learning environments that support teacher and peer relatedness supports satisfy students' physiological needs, in addition to having a positive effect on students' social emotional competencies. In particular, the basic physiological needs of students acted as a mediator that promoted their social emotional competencies and fostered learning environments that are based on the support of teachers and peers. Such findings propose the necessary of socio-emotional learning programs that enhance students' relatedness with their teachers and peers, as well as develop their social emotional competencies. The younger students are the great difficulty they face in attempting to measure their emotions. Students often learn by observing and modeling others' behavior. When teachers perceive students' emotions and give them their feedback, they encourage students to learn by modeling their behavior. Furthermore, as peer relationships are vital to middle school students, the provision of learning environments where students can cooperate and effectively communicate with their friends could help promote interpersonal relationships and social emotional competencies. Physical education teachers must foster relatedness, supportive learning environments to help students develop self and other awareness, self and other measurement, effective communication skills, emotional regulation, and proactively participated in learning process. With this, I will conclude my presentation. Thank you.